Hello, welcome to see how to conjugate a Finnish verb type number 4 in present. So we have here two kinds of the verbs. These we have KPT changing, and these we don't have the KPT changing. And as you can remember from type 3, we have a slightly small problem with this recognizing thing here, because we have the same endings with the type 3 and type 5 and type 6. So all of these are ending with a, ta, like this, ta and ta. So if we are just watching the two last letters, we are gonna get confused which one is which type. So you need to see what's the third last letter. So here we have S, as we say in Finnish, like S. And skip this one for a while. And then the type 5 has E, not E, a Finnish E. So it's gonna be ita, or it could be ita. And the last one we can have is eta or etä, like this. And the type 4 is because we have here already E's and E's, and then we have these S ones, so it means that we have here A, O, U, Y, Ä, and Ö, the third last letter, like this. So let's start with these without the KPT changing. So that we could be conjugating these. We are not actually taking anything away from the end like we have been doing in type 1, 2, and 3. We are actually deleting something kind of in the middle of the word. So let's start with the avata. And we need to delete this T here. We always delete the T one. So I'm gonna do some foldings here, like this, because we are gonna need the basic form. Still needing the basic form. Like this. And this is gonna be our body of the word. And then we have the endings here. Like this, minä, sinä, hän, me, te, and he. And this one we don't need with the verbs with already two R's here, so this is not gonna be used with this one, so I will put it to the side. So this is the body, and just now we can add the endings. Minä avaan, sinä avaat, hän avaa, so this one is empty. Me avaamme, te avaatte, he avaavat. The next one is korjata, which means to fix. And again, we are deleting the T. We could be also using scissors for this one, but I'm lazy. And now we got the body or a stem, whatever you want to use. Minä korjaan, sinä korjaat, hän korjaa, because there is already two A's. We don't put an extra. There, it's not possible to use 3. Me korjaamme, te korjaatte, he korjaavat. And again we have herätä, which means to wake up, and we delete the T like this, and this is our body. Minä herään, sinä heräät, hän herää, me heräämme, te heräätte, ja he heräävät. And this one needs the dots here. Then we have haluta, which means to desire or want. And again, we are deleting the T here. So always take the T off. Minä haluan. Sinä haluat. And now we are gonna need the extra A here because we don't have, we just have U and A. But now we can have 3 vowels in a row. So hän haluaa, me haluamme, te haluatte, he haluavat. Siivota, which means to clean. You might already see the pattern here, so always the T goes away. And now we have the body. Minä siivoan, I'm cleaning, sinä siivoat, hän siivoaa. So as you can see, we always have 2 R's here in the third singular person. Me siivoamme, te siivoatte, he siivoavat. And then we can have KPT changing here in the type 4 as well. We have here tykätä, luvata, and tavata. This means to like. This is to promise, and this is meet. And here happens some changing in the body as well. We take the same thing like we did here. We take the T away, so we get the body. But well, let's do it like this way. So let's take first the T away, because then we are getting the body. Like this. And because this is a weak KPT changing, the basic form is weak and the rest of the conjugated forms are strong ones. It means that we need an extra K here, so I'm gonna cut here, like this. And then I'm gonna have an extra K here on this side, and small piece of tape, and I will put the tape behind the K, and then I will add the K in the middle of the body, like this, and this. So now we got a strong body, and the strong body can have the the personal endings. Minä tykkään, sinä tykkäät, and this because there is already 2 as. We don't need this one. So hän tykkää, me tykkäämme, te tykkäätte, ja he tykkäävät. And this needs the dots here as well. So this is called quantitative changing because the 1K transforms as 2Ks when we are conjugating this one. And these two we have this called qualitative changing, and the same thing happens here. We take t away from the end, and then we are gonna conjugate it. And because this is qualitative changing, and this is already weak form, so we need to take the strong version about this one, and the pair with the letter A will be P. So we have an extra P here, and I will put it on like this, So this is the body of the luvata verb. So the V transforms as an P. And now we can say minä lupaan, sinä lupaat, hän lupaa, me lupaamme, te lupaatte, he lupaavat. And the same thing happens with this one, which is meet, tavata. So the T we delete. And then we add a small piece of tape on this one. And then we are adding it on this one. So now we got the body, which is a strong one if we are comparing the basic form. And this is gonna be minä tapaan, sinä tapaat, hän tapaa, me tapaamme, te tapaatte, he tapaavat. So the KPT changing is indirect here in type 4. So the basic form is always the weak one, like here. And when we are conjugating this one, all the forms, the conjugated forms, are gonna be strong ones.